Welcome to the Brock Misner YouTube channel where we go over the absolute best marketing strategies, tips, tricks, and hacks. Today I'm going over the most powerful tactic that you can use when implementing your Google My Business strategy. After using this strategy, you are going to be able to quadruple, quadruple your impressions and your traffic. You will also be able to rank for keywords you were not ranking for previously, and in locations you were not previously ranking at all. And dare I say it, this tactic takes about 15 minutes to implement, and the results are instant. This is going to be more for my advanced Google My Businessers or SEOers. And we're doing this through a video citation, but not only any video citation, a video citation on a nuclear level. And we're going to be doing this while setting up an entity relationship with your GMB and Google. Full warning here, you are going to see an absolute massive increase in your rankings and your traffic, but these are not permanent. What this will do will signal Google to give you a spike test, which is going to absolute flood your GMB with traffic. Watch part 2 and part 3 of this video series. It'll be in the playlist to get the results to stick. I'm going to show you how to layer your maps correctly, how to supercharge your short links, how to send traffic from locations that you do not rank for, how to unleash the power of Google Lens, how to leverage Google Earth, and much, much more. You're not going to want to miss it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. And I challenge anyone that can beat the results of this hack that I'm about to show you. It is January 8th at 9:30 at night. In the next 3 to 6 months, if anybody can prove better results with a different technique, we'll think of something fun. Challenge accepted. All right, guys, so here I'm at YouTube right now on my channel. All right, this is the old YouTube studio. I'm just more comfortable with it. This is how I've always done things, but you can use the new one. It doesn't matter. You might just have to go about a different way to do the same exact thing. All right, guys, so first thing, it doesn't really matter what video you use. Probably not anybody's going to watch it. I do, with my clients, keep it professional, so there might be occasional straggler in there that gets to it, but this is not going to enhance or decrease the power of this technique. All right, so first thing before we do anything, we want to change our status from public to unlisted. The reason being is we don't want to let this go yet until we've done our link building correctly and we've tweaked this exactly how we want it done. Next, we're going to go ahead and upload the video. All right, and we got it as the GMB example. It's just a picture of me talking to myself for like 10 seconds. All right, guys, next you need to run over here to your GMB listing and head back to your YouTube. All right, now this is going to be your title. Your title needs to be the name of your business, and it needs to be the same name, letter for letter, exactly how it's spelled on your GMB listing. So pop over here, and I'm literally just going to copy and paste. All right, next is going to be your description. We're going to do the same thing, name exactly how it is on your GMB. All right, next you're going to want to have your address, phone number, and website. As you can tell, I do not have a physical website on my GMB, but if you're a local business or you work for a local business, it will have that physical address. So for this example, I just put the couple cities that I know that I'm in, my phone number followed by my website. All right, next we need to head over here to your actual Google My Business platform, and we're going to get our business.site website, okay? And we are going, all we're going to do is run down here to website. This is not your actual website. It's this little garbage thing right here. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to view website. We came for this link right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this is going to be your name, business.site, and we're going to leave the rest of this garbage alone. I know there's Chrome extensions and there's other ways to do it, but this is the easiest way, is wheregoes.com, and we're going to trace our URL. And as you can see, 302 redirect, and what we want is here is the final do follow link. Now we're going to head over to our video and paste that little sexy link right there. All right, next thing we need to do is get our machine ID. This is going to be a little bit complicated, so bear with me. All right, head over to Google and type in your company name and your city. All you want to do here is to get your GMB listing to pop up. You should be able to do this with just your company name or your company name in your city. So let's go ahead and do that now. And here we go. This is our knowledge panel that we have. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on it. So now our maps is going to open up. We're going to let this load. All right, next step we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to right click and we're going to view page source. Okay, you're going to get a bunch of numbers and crazy gibberish. Okay, next we're going to do is Control F. All right, and we're going to want to search is /G/. Okay, this is going to give us our Google machine ID. All right, so /G forward, enter, and let's see if we can, and there it is right here. So this is our machine ID right here. Okay, you want to copy that and you want to head over, and this is going to be a special URL link. I'm going to have it inside down in the description below. All right, but what it's going to look like is this right here. It's your machine ID link. All right, now whatever you did to type in up here to get your knowledge panel pop up. I typed in Marketing Divine Indianapolis. You're going to want to keep that in the back of your head and then come back over to your link, okay? So see where I got keyword plus keyword plus keyword, which was Marketing Divine Indianapolis, okay? If you just did Big Bad Bob's Carpet, you know, you would add an extra keyword in there because it's 4 words, a plus sign and a keyword. If it was just one word, like Blitzu, and that was the company name, that got your knowledge panel to pop up. Erase these 2 plus keywords and just plug in that right there, okay? And then here where you see the /G/, that's where you're going to paste your machine ID in here, all right? Don't freak out because there's a way you can test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy this with the information that I inputted in, all right? I'm going to head over here, paste it, and hit enter. See now, see how it goes through with the knowledge panel that pops up? We're good. Everything's good. We know the link's good. We can head it over to YouTube, and now we can plug it in. All right, guys, this link is extremely powerful, and it develops a very strong entity relationship. All right, bonus. You can actually use this in your schema. I'm not going to show you this now, but input this into your same as schema on your website. Even better, you can make a playlist of these videos and put that into your same as schema on your website, a link to the actual playlist. All right, guys, now finally, below this link, we are going to add our last thing, which is our description. I recommend you write a 200, 300, 400, 500 word description. If you're feeling froggy, throw some LSI in there and call it a day, all right? And last but not least, we have our tags. This is super simple. Your tag is going to be whatever your business name is. That's it. You're done. You can actually geo-target this if you want inside of your advanced settings. I'm not going to do that right now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. I would love to know your results if you use this. But make sure if you use this, test before you implement this strategy, and literally 30 minutes later, test after. It works that fast. It is like butter. All right. Till next time, peace.